In this video, I'll show you how to add or record audio for your slides in PowerPoint. To add an existing audio file, go to Insert, select Audio, then Audio on my PC. Choose the audio file you want and click Insert. You'll see an audio icon and controls appear on your slide. To record your own audio, go to Insert, select Audio, then choose Record Audio. In the Record Sound dialog box, give your audio a name, click Record, and begin speaking or playing your audio. When finished, click Stop. You can listen to your recording by pressing play. If you're satisfied, click OK, and the audio will be added to your slide. For playback options, select the audio icon and go to the Playback tab. You can use features like Trim Audio to adjust the length or fade duration to create smooth fade-ins and fade-outs. You can also set how the audio plays in click sequence, automatically or only when clicked. To have your audio play across all slides, select Play in Background. That's it. Adding or recording audio in PowerPoint is that simple. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you later.